Our next guest provides reliable, very affordable, and fun design smart home devices in several interoperable protocols. So they also play nicely. They work well together, like Z-Wave and N-Ocean, battery-less product ranges, and Bluetooth, and all kinds of neat stuff. The president of a company called NodOn is Yanis Cottard. Welcome into tomorrow, sir. How are you?
Thank you. I'm very well.
Good. Glad to have you with us. Tell me about the very colorful, fun products that you guys are showing at IFA.
Yes, very colorful and that's fun. Yeah. You know, this is we speak a lot about smart home nowadays, and the booming of smart home started about 5 years ago, and everybody was happy to connect to control his home with his smartphone. But now we are a few years after, and even we want to create scenarios with the iPhone. We don't want to take off the iPhone of the pocket each time we want to switch on a light
or the Android.
Or the Android.
Thank you. I'm an Android guy, so
okay,
it's not all about a piece of fruit.
Smartphone. And my child don't have a smartphone, or I don't want to give my people working in my home my access code to my smart home. So this is why people now they want to have a switches, they want to have a remote control, but they also want to have this fun and a nice design. So this is what we do in NodOn, and try to make them very easy to use.
So am I holding then remote controls for different things?
Yeah, that's remote control.
Because as you mentioned, you don't want to always be having to take out the smartphone or a tablet.
Yeah.
So these would just be around the house, and in this case with a plus or minus or on-off, we control a variety of things?
Exactly, yeah. You can control light, you can control the heat. On the old C9 boots, you can control the fridge. And
really?
Yeah, you can control whatever you want.
But how do you know what you're controlling then? Because these devices, in fact, one has like no markings at all on it. How do I know what I'm controlling?
Well, I just brought you 2 colors, but I have bunches of colors.
So the colors associate with an item in the house?
Yeah, with your smartphone, when you set it up, you learn your new button. It will appear the color it is, because we are clever ID, and then you can choose what your product does.
Okay, so a variety of colors, and then you simply say, all right, this green one is for my air conditioning.
That's it.
And then you plus or minus to control the temperature, on or off to control the device itself.
Yeah, that's
all right, got it.
And what is very cool with this one is that it turns the consumer into a magician.
A magician?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, I like magic.
When you press on it, you create your own electricity. This remote control doesn't have a battery.
Yeah, I wondered where a battery would go or how you would charge it. There's no USB port or any door for a battery?
So you don't need to charge it.
Really?
When you press it, you create by yourself enough electricity to send a radio signal. So once you bought it, you don't need to change a battery, or you don't need to care anymore. And as you can press this 50,000 times, then you can say it lasts forever.
Because I've done about 20,000 right now, just trying to see if it'll do anything. So that's cool. So there's a long life to these products as well.
Exactly.
You're not going to have an issue there.
Yeah.
Yeah, very green. Yes, and there's even a green one. Yeah, a green remote. Now, here's a plug, in this case a European plug, but how does this play into the picture?
Yeah, that's it. Then you can control with your smartphone, you can control multi-device, but then if you want to switch on a light, you need a relay. So you can have a plug, or you can have a module that you are going to put in your ceiling behind your light, and the remote control is going to send the telegram to this module or to this plug, so you can light.
So it's better than using the clapper or something. You push a button and you turn on the light, or dim it, I guess. All right, plus or minus would then be, if it's a dimmable bulb, now you can dim the light.
Exactly.
Very nice.
That's the way it happened. Yeah.
Yeah, that's the way it happens. It's all, like you say, magic.
Yeah.
Using the magic of technology. Now, is this something, first of all, that's available now?
Yeah, it's available in the market in Europe, and it's going to be available in the US by CES.
Okay, so early in the new year, we'll have them available at CES. And what kind of price ranges are we talking about for the controllers?
So we are about $39
U.S. dollars.
US dollars.
Okay, for each control, but
Yeah,
then
for each
that's it, and
control,
they'll
and
last
then-
you for
yeah.
a long time.
Yeah.
Outlive us.
You never need to change the battery anymore. Yeah.
That's very cool. And we mentioned earlier in your introduction that they work on various protocols. So if you've got one of any number of home automation protocols in your home, it's going to connect and work well with them.
That's it, but well, you need to choose the right protocols that will work with your home environment.
Okay.
Because they cannot work in multi-protocol. So
Gotcha,
you
gotcha.
you have one which speaks Energean, one which speaks Z-Waves, one which speaks Bluetooth.
Okay, good.
yeah,
Gotcha.
you-
Yeah, of course. You have
yeah.
to be able to have the device communicate with that protocol.
That's it, yeah.
Understandable.
Yeah.
You can check them out for more information at their website, NodOn.fr, as in France.
Yeah,
But
that's
when you go there, there's English and other languages.
English,
easy
Spanish,
there you go.
Portuguese, German. yeah.
Lots of good stuff, and you can keep an eye on when their new products are going to be available and how you can order them and so forth. Again, it's NodOn.fr. Yanis, thanks for spending a few minutes with us here, and back to your busy exhibit at IFA.
Thank you.
It's our pleasure. IntoTomorrow.com will get you more info all the time as well, and videos of all the radio show interviews when you visit us again at IntoTomorrow.com. Dave Graveline with you, back with more from Berlin, Germany, right here on the Advanced Media Network.